So for the dashboard, I made a template and contacted a company down in Boise called Science to Fit, and they embroidered the Austin Healey signature on the dash, and it turned out wonderful. It was just that extra touch that needed to be done for the car, and it looks great. Originally we had painted it the color of the car, and I had chipped it when I installed some gauges, so it was either repaint it or reupholster it, and the reupholstery just came out wonderful, and I'm happy I went the extra mile and reupholstered it. For the seats, as you know, I bought the leather interior from the Leather Hide store, and I was going to send it off to have someone who's done the seats in the past upholster them, but checked on Craigslist and found a guy who works out of his garage part-time, and he did all of the upholstery on the seats and actually installed it on the seats for me for $200 a bucket, which was a heck of a good deal. He did an incredible job. Of course, I supplied all the new foam and the leather, and he supplied, of course, his time and talent, and it really worked out nice. We're really happy with that. The seats are installed as they came with the 3/4 inch by 1.5 inch poplar wood that I used, and then had to cut the carpet around that, but they installed very nice.
I think the car came out surprisingly good. I never know with his little projects what he's going to come up with, especially when he like bends his own metal thing with that thingy jobber.
Final stages of the build are in progress. We've got the hood, which is the last body part to be done, and I know I'm kind of out of sync on that whole thing, but you know, for the last couple of years I was trying to find a better hood, and anything that was available was either way too much out of money and out of our budget, or it just wasn't in any better shape than the one I had. So I did buy some sheet metal tools, and I did buy some components for the hood out of England and married them all together, and now I've matched all the gaps. Gaps are set. I did that with some fiberglass fill, and removed all the rust that I could out of the hood, patch panels, and we're doing the final stages now, the skim coat, which we'll start sanding here real soon, and then go to paint, and then that is the final major project of the car. There's always a lot of little things to still do. Install the back bumpers and the front bumper if I decide to go that route, and then just tweak little things that still need to be worked on.